Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to attach a PDF file to a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your first PDF document and I'll attach another PDF file to this PDF document. Now select this tools option and select here organize pages option, click here and select here insert option and select from file or from scanner and clipboard and select from file and select your folder and PDF document and insert this PDF document. Now select open and I'll insert fast before and beginning of the document. Now select OK and see this PDF file now inside it beginning of this document and this is new PDF file now inside it and close it and see this. This is a first PDF file and this second one. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and follow.